Hi everyone. My YouTube silver play button has finally arrived, and this is all thanks to you. Reaching 100,000 subscribers still feels like a dream, and I'm honestly so grateful. Thank you so much for watching my videos, leaving kind comments, and supporting me all this time. Every view, every like, and every message has motivated me to keep going. I couldn't have made it this far without you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. I'll keep working hard to make even better videos, so please stay with me on this journey. Let's aim for the next milestone together. Thank you.